Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we will learn and write healthy foods. First, apple. Apple means save. Second, papaya. Papaya means papita. Third, carrot. Carrot means gajar. Fourth, spinach. Spinach means palak. Fifth, broccoli. Broccoli means broccoli. Sixth, tomato. Tomato means tomato. Seventh, milk. Milk means दूध. Eight, eggs. Eggs means अंडे. Lentils. Lentils means दाल. Tenth, fish. Fish means मछली. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.